Stop.
Get off my mom! Get off my mom!
Incident date, February 3, 2025. Charlotte County, Florida. Event, civil property dispute escalating to felony arrest.
Hi.
Did one of y'all call us?
I actually call because
Okay.
I'm getting my son right now.
Okay.
And this man has a lot of our stuff upstairs. And I want to go up there. But I need to be accompanied by somebody to make sure that all my belongings are out of his house. If I am not able to go up there, then that means I'm not able to get all my belongings, which means if he is able or wants anything of his, he will not receive it.
Okay. I mean, you used to live here, or?
I've never lived with him.
Okay. Why does he
never
have
lived
your
with him.
stuff?
They had my daughter's ferrets for a couple of nights, which they said it was okay.
Okay. How long? So you were staying here, but you don't live here?
No, I wasn't ever staying here.
But your son's staying here, and he's just all that stuff. That's your son's. Okay. So this is obviously someone you know and trust if your son's here.
I thought I trusted
Gotcha.
until
Sure.
I saw what they would be willing, how far they would be willing to
hear
go.
So he knows you're here, and he's gonna come down, or?
He came down. I don't want any of my belongings, my son's belongings, her boyfriend's belongings, or her belongings in that room.
Does he understand that you're here just to get all the stuff
He
out?
doesn't seem to understand that because you see, my battery's about to die. I need a new battery. I have not gotten checks.
For your phone, you're talking about?
No, for my whole car. And he thinks that I'm going to give him back the only thing that helps my car move. You think I'm going to give that back? By the way, I gave one to somebody already.
Okay.
So technically, I'm getting it back.
Do you have your ID, ma'am?
I'm
with you?
not giving this. That and you. No.
Yeah, you're done with this, right? You just want your son and your stuff, or your?
I want all of our stuff.
And Dominic's stuff too.
And Dominic's stuff.
Well, I can't hang out. What you're asking for is, I understand why you're asking it, but we consider it a standby, and I'm not allowed to do standbys for situations like this. But what I can do is make sure he's not going to cause any issues.
I want to make sure our stuff is out of there.
Yeah. So
You do understand what I'm saying.
I promise you I do.
So what
But
do
if
I
there's-
understand what you're, because I must
I'm not allowed to do
something.
standby. So this would be considered a standby, which is civil, where you are trying to collect items, but you want law enforcement present to make sure everything goes smoothly. We're not allowed to do that.
Oh, I want law enforcement present because they said if I was on this property, they were going to arrest me, which I know is
Who
an
said
absolute
that?
lie.
Like the management here or
No,
something?
Bear told me that the management said that.
Well, that's just
Which-
nonsense, probably.
And that's why,
So.
because if I'm not banned from here, I can clearly just walk up there myself and get it. It's not that serious.
Yeah, your son's here. You don't have to go anywhere. So, but I mean, obviously your intention makes sense to me. You just want your son. You want your crap out of there.
That's it.
So you're doing the right thing.
Okay.
But I'm not allowed to stay here and wait for all this to go down.
I just needed to make sure
But
I was
let me-
actually not banned so I could go get my
Yeah, I don't really even care to look into it if management's not here. So
Thank
if you have your ID with you, I'll get that done. I'll try and make phone contact with this guy and make sure there's not going to be any issues for you. What's up, man?
How you doing, sir?
You just trying to get her stuff so she can get out of here?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have your ID on you, bud? And then I'm not going to stay here either.
It's upstairs.
Can I'll walk up with you. How much other stuff you got?
I think we got most of the stuff. We got all the stuff.
All right. Just be done with it, dude. Get everything out of there so that way they don't have to come back here. You know what I mean?
So yeah, like they can't. Yeah, she can't get in. She can't go in there. She's not allowed to go in there.
In your apartment?
Yeah, she's not allowed to go up there.
Hey, ma'am.
She's actually
I don't
not
know.
allowed to go in there.
Does she have keys or anything?
No.
Is it locked?
Not the door is unlocked, but the lady said she has problems with coming here. This is not supposed to come here.
Okay.
No, I'm not.
Is she going upstairs? Gotcha.
And you can give her a warning of
Can you go grab her and I'll just kind of hang out here with them? The only thing we can really do today, obviously, she has a right to her property. You
Right,
know what I mean?
of
And I
course.
see you're obviously being cooperative, trying
Yeah.
to, which is the only
Yeah,
thing
no,
to do. That
right,
makes sense.
exactly.
And obviously, that's her
Right.
son.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah,
maybe
so-
just try and give it a couple days and talk to her.
Oh,
or no,
I don't wanna
all
do
done.
that.
I got
I've
you,
been doing
dude.
this for 4 years.
Yeah, I hear you. Copy. I'm coming up.
Stop getting in.
No, you're fine.
Get right.
Is she up here?
Yeah.
They were trying to tell me she walked out in the parking lot.
Because they saw the door open. And
Okay.
they thought it was her, but it wasn't.
It's not because of your ass. You want to be laughing.
Listen, if he says that's not yours, you're gonna have to give that
No, if he
back.
says it's not mine, I'm not going to have to give it back.
The amount of your
And I said it.
Why are you acting like that all of a sudden?
Why are you acting like that all of a sudden?
I'm not.
You was good until she pulled up. You scared? You scared of a Mr. Patton? You scared of Patton?
What are we talking about?
Exactly. You weren't just acting like this downstairs until she pulled up.
I'm not.
Now it's something different. You scared of Pussy Patton? I guess you are.
Okay.
I'm taking the stairs. You're taking the damn long. If you said it's not mine, but fuck that shit is that.
I don't know if you have my mom says they want her trespass from here.
Yeah. Yeah. Is that all hers or yours?
This is mine. She also has a battery starter for a car for me that she has.
Yeah, we're not gonna do the property thing.
Hell yeah, that's why you don't want to stare.
So-
The police all fucking because they scared of vagina.
Yeah,
You got wrong accepting?
Anyway, I don't know what happened to her.
that's what I tell you. This is it.
No, I get it.
Legal foundation. Property retrievals without a court order are strictly civil matters. Officers possess no statutory authority to compel property transfers. Florida statutes, paragraph 810.09, empower leaseholders and management to revoke implied consent, classifying unauthorized entry as criminal trespass. Florida Statute 843.1 dictates that resisting a law enforcement officer with violence constitutes a third-degree felony, immediately terminating any civil proceedings.
So it's clear now she has no rights inside this building anymore, and that's per management, obviously. Since now I understand,
Right.
So we'll trespass her.
Do you have her info? I don't.
I already ran her.
What's her
She
name?
was the RO. I didn't write her stuff down. She didn't have her DL.
Oh, do you remember her name?
Nicole. We'll be here for a minute. If you see something else you want to bring down, then bring it.
You acting
But
like you scared and
knock it off. What's wrong with you?
him.
You're acting like a.
You,
piece
I'm
of work
acting like
right
what?
now.
You acting like you scared.
Get
Come
over
on
there.
now.
You're gonna
You just
find
told me I
yourself
could go
going to
upstairs,
jail.
and now you're telling me I can't because of him.
Yeah, you're good. Go ahead, dude. She
Oh,
won't
you
go
gonna
back in.
beat you if I hate like you.
Why he still got Dominic's stuff up there? Dominic on probation. He can't leave this area.
Well, unfortunately, with her behavior now, we're not doing this anymore. So
Thank God.
no, she's not. They don't. Management's there. They said she's not welcome back in.
I ain't never been welcome back in. Shut the hell up. I can't wait to get off this damn. Oh, I'm
brother's
so
on
glad
the
I
Yeah.
don't never have to know.
Hold on,
Forget
but
my
don't
fucking
go
life.
No,
back
he's
up
on the
there.
leave.
Listen to me.
He's on the
It doesn't matter at this point.
You
Okay.
know, it does. I need my stuff.
It's not enough.
We're not
There's no
gonna-
point. He's scared of. He's controlled by that there.
I need my
Ain't no
stuff.
point in listening to him.
I don't
What?
got
He's
nothing.
controlling
I
him.
started school
There's
Monday.
You arguing with him.
I'm not arguing with him. I'm talking to Junior. That's all.
We're not gonna. What was her name, bud? That's your mom, right? So listen, I know that's your mom, and you're just.
But I'm on the leash though. That I live with.
I know, but right now with the way she's acting, there's no way you guys are going back inside. That
No,
includes
he-
you, buddy.
he didn't
Listen to
do
me.
it.
I don't.
He can
It
go
doesn't.
in there.
No, I'm telling you no. Stop telling him that, okay?
No, but
Because
he
I'm telling
can go
you.
in there.
I'm
He's
telling
on the
him
leash.
that we're not doing that. You're taking custody of your son, correct?
Hell yeah.
Then he's done. He's not going back in. Okay? He's gonna go upstairs and grab their other things and come back down.
Get
Okay?
Dominic's stuff. All of it. All of Dominic's stuff. Because I need to bring it to you.
You need to get it out your car. Because we gave you that stuff and you trying to hold it.
If there's anything missing, it's civil. Okay? You'll have to take him to
I'll
civil.
take this motherfucker to court. That's a bitch there. Traitor. That's a traitor. That motherfucker traitor.
Where are you guys staying?
You don't stay anywhere. We stay in the car. That's why I need my stuff. Because I'm going back to school.
Yeah.
today.
He doesn't want to keep your all stuff. He made it clear he doesn't want her here or have a reason to come here. So
Well, then I don't know why all of our stuff is not down. I just need.
he's gonna go
Dominic's
double check. You heard him. He's gonna go double check. He'll
stuff.
bring it down.
It doesn't matter. He's a liar. He lied. It doesn't matter what
Okay. If he's lying, I don't know either way. But
we can't go over there to get our stuff.
you guys cannot. Nobody here could go back in there.
What about if Dominic came here since he's not even here?
If
with
you
us?
guys make arrangements at some other date, some other time, that's fine. But right now, because of the way she's behaving, it's causing a disturbance, okay? And other people are out here now wondering what's going on. We're not going to continue that, okay? She wants custody of him, so he's out here.
She's been had custody.
Oh, they trying to put something in underwear in here that's not mine. You see what I'm saying? No, damn well this ain't my son's underwear. My son ain't this shit. He can have this shit. I don't like to keep it. I'll give it back. I don't want her dirty shit. This shit, then you gonna put a dirty ass shirt. You can have that shit. You can have that. I'm out to pick it up.
So if it's not yours, you can leave it there.
Huh?
Leave it there if it's not yours.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess there's nothing. Oh, there is. Yeah. Is that it? All right, man. We're getting her out of here. Just head back inside.
All right, thank you.
We're done with it. All right. So listen, Hey, real quick. That kid, don't even bring him back here. Don't invite him. Tell them to take him off the leash or something.
yeah, I
so
did.
that because if he comes here,
I
then
did. Yeah, there's more.
you know what I mean.
Trouble.
Yeah, that's all. All right. I hear you.
What that thing? Mommy, get off my mom! Get off my mom!
Stop.
Get off my mom! Get off my mom!
Relax.
Get off my mom!
Get off.
Get off my mom!
Get
my
off. If you do it, it's just gonna get worse. Stop. Hey, if you we're not gonna make it. Hey, it's done. It's done, buddy. It's done. It's done. It's done. Hey, it's done. She's fine. I can't help her if you're over here. I can't help her if you're over here.
Yeah.
305 Central. Send me another unit.
Okay. Mind your business. You shut up, ugly bitch. Come up here, beat my asshole. I'll beat your fucking asshole. Come over here, school time. Go ahead,
Negative. We got one in custody.
It's alright. I'm good. I'm good. I'm
Hey.
good.
Go inside. Ma'am, go inside. You're not helping us.
Mommy, my business. Bitch. Stay in your business. Go f***. Yo, run your ass out here. Mind my business. Come down here. Run my motherfucking way, bitch.
Hey, hey,
Talk about my mother. Go up there, bitch.
hey.
I'm
No,
going
no,
there, bitch. Come out here, hoe. Scary ass hoe. You out there.
What are you doing?
You out there. What you talking about?
Stop.
And you a wet shot to ugly ass bitch. That's what the fuck you
Hey.
are, hoe.
Hey, I need you for him, okay? If you keep doing that, you're gonna go in handcuffs, okay? Do you hear me?
Get that ugly.
I ain't worried about her. She's being stupid. Let her be stupid.
Be mad, hoe.
Did I come across?
I have no idea. Go. Stop talking so I can talk to her for a second. Go inside. You're making things worse. Please. If you keep doing this, being verbal with people, I'm gonna put you back in the car, okay?
Why she not?
I ain't worried about it. She's got nothing to do with this. You do though. So relax.
I'm alright. Don't cry.
You want to put her in the back of your car?
I'm alright.
Yeah, I'm sure you are, but we're gonna go back in the car.
Tell
You
her
wanna
to come
take her and
outside.
check her?
Yeah.
I'll go with you. You got gloves actually. Here, put gloves on. That's your daughter, right? Is that your daughter?
Yeah, that's my daughter.
How old is she?
15.
Anybody else like to take care of them? 'Cause you're going to jail.
Not right now.
So we don't have anybody that we can call like him.
I'm gonna let go of you, okay?
Yeah. Can I get a cigarette real quick? If I want to get locked up, can I leave a cigarette? It's right there.
Absolutely not. I mean, it's up to her, but if I had to say in that,
Yeah, but I'm not going to uncuff you so you can smoke.
You ain't gotta be uncuffed. You ain't gotta uncuff me. I think we need.
On a small car?
Yeah.
Once CMS should go, we'll figure it out because we have to wait for the kid. Yeah, exactly. Nobody comes to.
was she? Do you have enough for resisting with violence, or?
Yep. So the reason I grabbed her is because she said she wasn't signing anything, I was like, okay, so I'll just put it in your car. Don't put it in. And she came and she literally like shook me.
That
So when
as soon as I turned, I saw that.
Yeah, when she shook me,
Yeah.
that's when I grabbed her.
Gotcha. So resisting battery on Leo, resisting with violence.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
She getting arrested?
Oh yeah, bud. She hit her. You can't hit a cop, and you're gonna go to jail if you do that. Okay? We don't want to do that. I've been nothing but nice to her and you guys. And listen,
Where are we going?
buddy. I don't know what to tell you right now. Okay? We'll figure it out. No, we're not gonna leave you guys.
Where's my mom going?
She's getting arrested.
She's going to jail.
Why she
Battery
getting
on law
arrested?
enforcement.
Because she
She struck the deputy.
Where we going?
Not sure. We'll figure it out. We're not leaving you guys here. Obviously, someone will be here for you.
Where are they going?
Yeah, I don't. We'll call DCF, and it's gonna be up to them where they place you. Okay?
How long does she stay here in my arrested for?
I mean, she'll get bond and stuff. I don't know her history or anything. So.
Concurrently, Florida Statute 78407 reclassifies standard battery to a felony when the victim is an officer engaged in the lawful performance of duties. Pursuant to Graham v. Connor, 1989, active physical resistance legally justifies an officer's use of objectively reasonable force to secure a subject. Lesson learned. Law enforcement presence during civil stanzas is strictly contingent upon maintaining the peace. Public disturbance revokes this accommodation. Key takeaway. Physical retaliation during a police encounter permanently shifts the legal framework from a civil resolution to criminal prosecution.
We've been calling and calling and calling you.
She has
I told you I don't have a cell phone.
Oh, you didn't tell me.
Oh, the lady I talked to, I
Oh.
told her I don't have a cell phone.
Oh.
Cell phone.
She has a
Huh?
house phone.
It's a house phone.
It's a house phone.
You need a cell. It's 20, 25.
She can't see screens. It makes
I
her
can't.
hurt.
You're like 52 years old.
Excuse me, my eyes will not allow me to. The light
Okay.
from them.
They actually have the flip phone still with bigger numbers. My dad used to have one.
I have one, but it's a pain.
Oh, okay. So are you willing to take custody of these two? Okay, you were trying to get somebody I know.
Grandmother. I'm
Huh?
their great grandmother.
Well, we're gonna call
Okay.
Grandma.
Where's
Where she's
Grandma?
Lord, she's
Yeah,
she's
where's-
in
in
Georgia.
Georgia.
Well,
She's
that-
6
yeah.
hours away, and I'm not gonna have her come here. No.
Well, DCF's gonna have to get involved in transfer out of state and all
No,
of that.
to transfer us out of state,
Mm-hmm.
me and Jen are not gonna get separated.
Yeah.
We're not gonna get separated.
I don't know.
Oh, my sister. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna get
Anyways,
separated. We should.
so you'll take them for now and then go